Today we're at the Grand Canyon in Chiang Mai and I'm on top of a big iceberg and I don't know how to get down, but it's really fun here. So guys, today we're at the amazing Grand Canyon. I'm literally so excited, I'm out of breath. There's so many cool things here. Floaties, jumping bits, this super intense slide. So Grace said she's not going on it because she's gonna hurt her back and I'm gonna go on it for her about 200 times. Check that out. I'm so excited. How you feeling, Grace?
Nope.
So yeah, we're gonna show you around this place. It was about 450 baht to enter. 50 baht for the locker, so about 500 baht for the whole day. Stay here as long as you like.
It's about a tenner each.
Yeah, about £10 each, yeah. Not too bad at all. This place is empty, so it's gonna be so good. What's that, Grace?
34 degrees.
34 degrees. Let's go. So we've now got on all our kit and we're ready to go. We've locked our stuff up into the lockers. Grace is ready.
I'm ready.
It's going to be a little bit shaky because I'm going to be jumping around like a madman and I haven't got the gimbal obviously, so I've just got the little floaty bobbly thing so I don't lose it, but it's going to be real good. I'm so excited. So we've arrived on this platform. This is like the middle bit where you start your sort of journey. There's so much here. We've got the slide, climbing walls, this jumpy thing where you like sit on this edge and jump and then you go flying, trampoline, big cliff jumping area. So cool. So the next part of this course is to climb up that, around there, to the next bit. Are you going first or am I going first, Grace? Right, I'm going to give this an attempt. Oh God, it's not.
So sexy.
Oh yeah, thanks. How's it look? Vogue?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, you twerk.
Okay, that's enough. It's PG.
So it's now Grace's turn. Come on, Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on, I believe in you. I think we're going to have to add a bit of cinema magic to this. Well, hey! You made it!
Looks like we made it.
On to the next one. Gonna try this now. Step, 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 step without falling in. Let's go. I think you've got to like go down low. You're gonna go down low. Oh God! I'm gonna go down low and try and get over there on the belly. Oh yeah! Got it. Last one. Done with style. So we're going up the big one now. It's the big bouncy one. Gonna see how that goes. Oh God. Ready? It's so unexpected. Have been jumping around like children for the past couple hours and now we're starving, so So we're gonna go get some food. And there's one main restaurant here and they got some really cool desserts as well. So I'm gonna check that out. So I shall see you in there. So we decided to order this Coke berry bucket thing. And we was like, wow, that looks so nice. And then we found out it's literally just 2 Cokes, ice, and about 5 berries. They're blasting out music now, so you probably can't hear me. But we're gonna get ready and get back in. So let's go. So I think we've had all the fun that we can today. I'm going to be sliding off this for the last time and I shall see you in a couple of days.